Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Proton VPN account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or unlock your phone to begin. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the sign-in process works smoothly. If you want to sign in on a computer, type Proton VPN into the address bar and press enter. Click the sign-in button at the top right corner of the Proton VPN website. In the email or username field, enter the email address you used when creating your Proton account. In the password field, carefully type your Proton account password. Double-check for typing mistakes, especially uppercase letters and special characters. Click Sign In to submit your login details. If you are asked for two-factor authentication, open your Authenticator app or check your security method. Enter the 6-digit verification code exactly as shown and continue. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. To sign in using the Proton VPN app, download Proton VPN from the official App Store if you do not have it yet. On Windows or Mac, download the app from the Proton VPN website and install it normally. Open the Proton VPN app after the installation is complete. On the sign-in screen, enter your Proton account email or username. Type your password into the password field inside the app. Tap or click Sign In to log in to the Proton VPN app. If two-factor authentication appears, enter the current code from your Authenticator app. When you successfully sign in, you will land on the main Proton VPN dashboard. If you see an account verification request, check your email and confirm the verification link. If the app says your credentials are incorrect, retype your email and password slowly and try again. If you are using a password manager, paste the credentials carefully to avoid extra spaces. If the app is stuck on loading, close it completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, restart your device and try signing in once more. Check whether Proton services are experiencing downtime by visiting Proton's status page if needed. If you are on a restricted network, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or using mobile data. After signing in, choose a server and press Connect to confirm your account is working correctly. Once connected, you can adjust settings like protocol, auto-connect, and kill switch in the app menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.